As an author is getting ready to perhaps try to find an agent, one of the key things they'll be doing is developing a book proposal. That basically, there's different templates out there. You can Google book proposal template, and it'll help the author really begin to understand and craft basically it's a business plan for what they're trying to accomplish. The sooner an author can do that, the better. Really, it helps to have a preliminary book proposal even before you start writing, because it'll help you in the writing process, understanding who you're writing for and what you're trying to accomplish. And then as you're out there trying to find an agent, there are some key things that agents are looking for. And one of the major ones as an agent is looking at what they're trying to acquire. It's an author that they think can sell a lot of books. It's a business, and agents and publishers, we're looking for authors that can create a high-quality book, but it goes far beyond that. It's not just creating a high-quality book. It's actually developing a platform, developing an audience, nurturing an audience. And when we speak of an audience, it can be thought of in terms of the number of people on your email list. That's a huge factor, and probably the most important factor. We also look at, okay, what are the numbers you have for different social media platforms? And perhaps, fortunately for some authors, they actually even have a speaking schedule that they're out there regularly speaking, whether it's at churches or other local groups where they can go in and talk to an audience that is already interested in the topic of their book. And so they've got this ongoing audience that is looking for that book, and that really is what helps an author stand out when they're trying to get an agent, trying to get a publisher. It comes back around to how many books can we sell, and the more an author can help the agent and the publisher understand how that's going to happen, the better off that author is going to be.